Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add an overlay behind like a character on CapCut PC. So add in your video and add in your overlay like so, and you're just going to right click, copy, right click, paste on top of that video that we just had like so. Then on the second video you are going to select cutout and you're going to select auto cutout, and on the overlay I actually want to just go to basic and adjust the opacity so you guys can still see the kind of background on it. I'm just going to choose this linear burn one, and that is it for this video. You can choose any other backgrounds that you like for sure. For instance, like this one. Oops, I'm trying to add it below it. Okay, like this one for instance. Oops. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.